Hello, my name is Markus Heil and I'm Product Manager. May I introduce to you our new FRKPS. FRKPS stands for Rutschkupplungsprüfset, which means slip clutch test set, plus an F for force because it's a force transducer. However, it's not only suitable for testing slip clutches in chain hoists, but also for the overload protection. The safety requirements for hoists, such as chain hoists, are laid down in strict regulations. In Europe, for example, the Machinery Directive applies, which is in turn implemented in national regulations. In countries such as Germany, Austria, Switzerland, France, Spain and the Netherlands, an annual test interval is prescribed. Outside of Europe, the United States and Japan, among others, have strict regulations with requirements for annual inspections. The FRKPS itself consists of a measuring spring, which is connected to a handheld indicator, which then shows the measured values. The measuring spring is directly put into the chain of a chain hoist and goes up with the chain until the overload protection is triggered. This way. The measured values then are displayed on the handheld indicator with the maximum value, or can be downloaded to a PC software where it can be analyzed as a PDF file or an Excel. The handheld indicator has a battery lifetime of 13 hours, which then can be recharged very easily with USB-C. And then we also have in the carrying case all documentation with an inspection certificate and the operating instructions, all together available from stock from the WIKA online shop, and all documentation can be found online. Check it out.